Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to solve you the exercise of page 3 from your first chapter Matter in our Surrounding, which is from your Ncert book of class 9 science. So let us begin with the first question. Which of the following are matter? Chair, air, love, smell, hate, almonds, thought, cold drink, smell of perfume. So which of all? So there are some things given like chair, air, love, smell, hate, almonds, thought, cold drink, smell of perfume. So which among these are matter? So answer for this question is chair, air, almonds and cold drink are food. So all these are matter. So let us come for the second question. Give reason for the following observation. The smell of a hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away. But to get the smell from cold food, you have to go close. So the reason for this is the smell of a hot sizzling food reaches served meters away, as the particles of a hot food have more kinetic energy and hence the rate of diffusion is more than the particles of the cold. So as we have studied here, hot and cold, diffusion in hot and cold, the particles in the hot matter has more kinetic energy and vibrate very fast when compared to the cold. So the smell of hot sizzling food reaches us served several meters away when compared to the cold one. A diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. Which property of matter does this observation show? A diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. This shows that the particles of water have intermolecular space and has less force of attraction. So a diver, so once when someone is diving in the water in the swimming pool, so he cuts he have a cut through in a water that is in the swimming pool. So why this happens? This happens because there are intermolecular spaces in them and which have less force of attraction. That's why the diver can break these force of attraction and passes through the water or can take cut through the water. What are the characteristics of the particles of matter? The characteristics of the particles of matter are: particles have intermolecular space, particles have intermolecular force, particles of matter are moving continuously. So these are the characteristics of the particles. So that is, the first one is they have the intermolecular space, that is they have space between the particles and there is a force of attraction between the particles, that is intermolecular attraction, and also these particles will be continuously moving. So this was about the exercise which is given in your textbook. So let us have one worksheet connected with that. So define matter. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. So if you are keeping a pen that is taking up a space and it is also having a weight, that is mass. So anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. What is diffusion? The intermingling of the particles of one matter with other is called diffusion. So the intermingling, that is the intermixing of the particles of one matter with another matter, is called as diffusion. What happens to the rate of diffusion if temperature is increased? So as we have studied about the experiment, hot and cold water, how the potassium permanganate particle moves. So in the hot, as the temperature increases, the rate of diffusion also increases because the particles gain kinetic energy and vibrate more. So this was about the worksheet and the exercise related to the matter in our surrounding, part 1 and part 2. So in the next video we'll be continuing with more characteristic features of the particles, that is about states of matter and many more things. So please stay connected. Thank you.